first thing I do when I cut my hair is I get a number 4 clipper attachment. I find that it works the best on my hair on the side and the back, at least that kind of works for me. And we'll get started to starting to work. See what happens. I just kind of go straight up from the bottom and take the length off as much as I can, as even as I can, and then just kind of take it all the way high. There's a lot of growth, there's a lot of hair there. So now that we did the sides, I just use the mirror to see the back. Luckily for me, what I do is I just kind of comb down what my hairstylist already has done, so I can't really screw up. And if I concentrate on just maybe this part down and just tighten that up, then I can kind of preserve what's happening up on top a little bit without screwing things up. So just go like this. I'm going to try to blend that in. What I'm doing is I'm kind of flicking the clipper away to blend it in a little bit. So I go up. So anything that's not even, I can just fix. It's a little bit high in the middle there, and then I can just blend to the side a little bit. So I'm going to try to go down to maybe a 2. So let's just try to dry cut tips. I'm just trimming the tips, pretty much just trying to keep in line with like what was done before, so I don't really screw things up too much. And then whatever, we're all stuck at home, so I figured if I mess something up, I'll just kind of grow a little bit, and by the time we're back up and running, at least it might work. be able to go to my person again and have them fix it. But for now, at least, it'll feel a little bit more like myself, you know? Okay, so I did it. Homemade coronavirus haircut.